Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming in and just hearing what I have to say here at From the Desk of Antoinette Smith. So I just wanted to delve into the 4 components of a Myers-Briggs personality result, okay? So there's 4 different components. We're gonna talk about the first space for letters in that one and what that means. So the first space is either going to be an E for extrovert or an I for introvert. Now, when we think of the word extrovert, we think of a person who is always the life of the party, who loves to talk, who'd rather be out instead of being at home with a book. And those things are true for the most part, actually. But as we extroverts know, we do cherish our alone time also, and I have a lot of books. There's other misconceptions about the introvert, that they only like to be by themselves and they don't like to talk. And some of those things are true, but we're going to delve into a couple more examples of different ways that you might be able to detect if a person is an introvert or extrovert. So you think of a couple different people in your life and some conversations that you have with them. Now, an extrovert tends to think out loud. They process out loud. They haven't pondered on these thoughts very often before they speak them because they're speaking them for the first time and they're sort of figuring things out, which gives them, they talk a lot. And where an introvert is going to be a really good listener, and they usually won't speak unless it's something that they have experienced or something that is that they have thought about for a long time and they're willing to share that with you. And lastly, another example of whether a person is an introvert and an extrovert is actually looking at how many text messages that they have opened up. Now, an introvert may have lots of different people texting them, but they almost don't want to be bothered, and they may not open it because there's a chance that the other person will know that they've seen it. Where an extrovert will basically answer every text message that comes as it comes, as soon as they can, or as soon as they are able to. And they don't have any problem interacting with people, and they probably interact with many people. So thanks for watching this video. The next video, we're going to talk about the next secondary letter, and that's going to be intuitive and sensing. Okay, so be sure to check the bell so that you get notifications, and in no time you're going to be a pro with being able to detect a person's Myers-Briggs personality trait. Okay, so talk to you later. Bye.